morning to all. This is Meera from Group 9. Here I am showing a simple activity to explain the digestive system with low cost material. And for this activity I have taken 3 bowls for the mouth and next small intestine, and it is the large intestine, and it is the blood, and these are the bottles for enzymes, sodium bicarbonate, bile juice, and HCl, hydrochloric acid, and saliva, and it is the esophagus. The next, it is for villi. So I have taken these apparatus for this activity. So in this mouth I have taken food. So this food cuts by the teeth. I have taken scissors as teeth. We know 4 types of teeth are there in our mouth: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. These teeth cut the food and chew the food, and the process is called mastication. And for this mastication we need saliva. The saliva which secretes from the salivary glands. We know 3 pairs: submandibular, parotid, and sublingual glands. And I am mixing with my hand. It is the tongue. Tongue mixes the food. For easy chewing, tongue mixes the food. This is the saliva. Here mixing and chewing the food. And this is the slimy substance. So slimy substance, it is called bolus. Smooth substance, semi-solid substance, it is called bolus. And this bolus entered into the pharynx, and through the pharynx, and this bolus through the esophagus. It is the esophagus, pipe-like structure, and in this esophagus peristaltic movements are there with the help of longitudinal muscles and circular muscles. And this esophagus, from the esophagus the food enters into the and this bolus through the esophagus entered into the stomach. It is the bag-like structure. For the stomach I have taken the plastic cover, and this bolus entered into the stomach through the esophagus. So it is the J-shape distensible sac-like structure. The food entered into the stomach. So after entering into the stomach, in stomach HCl, and in stomach HCl is there, and the enzymes also there. Pepsin enzyme, it contains pepsin enzyme. And in stomach muscular movements also there, like these are the muscular movements also there. And HCl churns the food, and pepsin act on proteins to convert the peptones. And here after the digestion in stomach, it is the stomach. The stomach enters into the small intestine. It is the small intestine. And it is the small intestine. In small intestine also, when the food enter into the small intestine, immediately bile juice secretes from the liver, and next from the pancreas enzymes and sodium bicarbonate will be released, and These are the enzymes. So in the small intestine also, food digestion completed. In the small intestine, food digestion completes. And after digestion, after complete digestion of the food, which is located in the small intestine, villi. So I have taken this duster for the small intestine. This is a sponge-like structure, and it absorbs the nutrients from the food, liquid form. So these nutrients entered into the blood. So these nutrients enters into the blood through these villi. Here absorption is there. First the step we have taken in the ingestion, and the next digestion, and the third part it is the absorption. So after absorption, the indigested food material enters into the large intestine. The indigested food material enters into the large intestine, and it is the large intestine. And in the large intestine also, water and minerals are absorbed. And in the large intestine also, water and minerals are absorbed into blood. In the waste material, which is having in the large intestine, these waste material enters to the rectum part, and from this rectum it thrown out through the anus. It is the anus part. Thrown out through the anus. So like this. And here digestion completed, and this is the process.